yo, Jim, man, won't you kick some of that, you know? You know how you do it, man. It's a trip, people don't even believe we're together right now. But tell your story, you know the one I like. Right. Say it for me.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Yeah.
Going off for this, going off for that. With the Lizard King bumping in the back. How about that? Drifting, lifting, swifting, coasting, testing, roasting. But the wheels won't stop. 200 on the highway, fresh up off the block. He's a rider, nah, he's a killer. Dressed in all black, but his hat says Stella. Pedal to the metal. I gotta go hard, drive by and say hello. Hey, Fred Wreck, you my mellow. Now let me hear what I sound like acapella. Roll, ride, dip, sweat. Now bring it back, just like this. Like a dog without his bone. I like a G without his chrome. It's hard to imagine the homie dog in the jag and he checking for the checkered flag. Coming in first, never in last. Cause my car too fast. I never ever run out of gas. Cause I'm just too clean, I do it upper class. So fast in your seatbelts, it's so hot, it'll even make heat melt. So get aboard and roll and ride, slip through the storm.
Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Yeah.
I'm trying to take the lead. Hold on, little homie, before you run into them trees. I see things that I never would've saw before. Hey, yo, Jim, let 'em in, let 'em in. Open up, my back tire smoking up the whole street. And now the police wanna flash their lights and chase the dog all night. But I won't pull over, nor give up, cause I just don't give up. Yeah, I'm from the side, boy, where we was born and raised. Straight up to ride, boys, continuously. We get to it expeditiously. Keep the light on, east side on, Snoop Dogg.
Came in that first, had bad luck. Got a hold, I remember I ain't had nothing. We done sold, I know everybody mad at me. Tell them roll, I know everybody smashing. Get ready, cause you know it about to be a problem. Hey, hope you ready, cause you know it about to be a problem. This the only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Fancy when I drive 6 cars in the driveway. Cash in the driver door, spinning, do it my way. Beat you like a matador, fresh out the catalog. One fall, we all fall, crew like dominoes. Paper chase by my nose, all my dogs riding smoke. Mob heavy like the Pope. For that pot of gold, we are not alone. Boy, better check your tone, you gon' need a lot of help. I ain't talking bank loans. Sit with us,
table last supper. Toast to the brothers, some bad muff. Yeah, ain't nothing but pure luxury. You looking left of me, should be looking up to me. Preferably one of the best. She rhyme cause we next now and forever to death. Be loyal, will and respect. Stay ahead of the rest. We just sit back, relax, doing things to impress.
This is the only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together.
Got no time to waste. Ain't no way these niggas stopping me. Oh no, flying from a mile away. It's not a problem, only real ones follow me. Look, and I can do this with my eyes closed, blindfold 2 times over. Ride solo, but I got women and got soldiers. I ain't tripping, can try get it, your night sober. Talking no melatonin, get it and fight coma. What's the fleet of a giant? It's feeding the fire. Here's the read, be less than flee when they flying. You don't believe it, they try it. We don't believe it, just trying. I call the people to leave them 100 pieces divided. That's cold blooded. And I've been this dope life for summers. And I ain't really going for the he say or she say. Keep it you for peace sake. I know this that bone you pick might leave you in
This is the only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together.
Is you ride? Is you with all the burglarizing and the violence? If Jimmy got caught up, but you was right there with him. So the police asks you questions, you gon' keep quiet. Is you loyal? Is you real? Is you fake? When I can't tell, that's the type of way that I hate. You got that fake friend syndrome, and it's no cure, so your symptoms is gon' show. You know the code. Stick around, hold it down, never fold. Like it's a crease up in your dicky brains. Hold up, each one teach one. Motivate each one to be some. I ain't just another statistic. I do this, and that. If you wanna get specific, I'm just trying to make that egg go quick. For me and my day one hit
Right out.
I feel like the sky is falling down. Ain't nobody here to play around. Push it to the edge, I won't back down. Cause it's time to go hard and go home. One way up, no way out. I give it all for the family. We stay up, no bailouts. Give it all for the family. Family, family, family. 5, 4, 3, 2, I got one shot. You lose the love and respect, that's where the trust stop. New work, top drop. I roll up every 15 minutes like a bus stop. And you can smell just how I'm smoking when I burn out. And you can catch me riding dirty, but my car not. It's love and loyalty into my heart lot. Never turn your back, won't know how it turned out. I said it once, I do it again. I'm playing the game, I do it to win. With you and your friend that's thinking, then it's me and my team. You know we gon' win, you know we gon' ball. You know we gon' rise to the wheels fall off. You know we gon' stick to the goal, we can think about y'all. I feel like the sky is falling down. Ain't nobody here to play around. Push it to the edge, I won't back down. Cause it's time to go hard and go home. One way up, no way out. I give it all for the family. We stay up, no bailouts. Give it all for the family. Hey, hey, for the family. Hey, hey, all for the family. Family, family, family.
Am I winning? Why would I go hard for? Swinging on the green like I'm trying to get a paw for. You ain't sitting at my table, hope you starve. Hold on, be pushing my buttons as you starting on my car. Pressure make it diamond, that pressure make me a star. Got a method to my madness to bring me down by the bar. People always asking me how I got this far. My response is just to keep it honest and be who you are. Now they call me Mrs. Money, I got married to the moolah. Just to measure my success, I need at least 100 rulers. Glory, hallelujah, I'ma take that as a church. I'ma finish like I started it, you still got that work.
I feel like the sky is falling down. Ain't nobody here to play around. Push it to the edge, I won't back down. Cause it's time to go hard and go home. One way up, no way
arms are wide. I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of lighters, a sky full of lighters.
By the time you hear this, I will have already spiraled up. I would never do nothing to let you cowards fuck my world up. If I was you, I would duck or get struck like lightning fighters. Keep fighting, put your lighters up, point them skyward. Had a dream, I was king. I woke up, still king. Snap games, nibble is mine for the milk king. Till nobody else even fucking feels me, till it kills me. I swear to God, I'll be the fucking illest in this music there is or there ever will be. Disagree, feel free, but from now on I'm refusing to ever give up. Only thing I ever gave up's using. No more excuses. Excuse me if my head is too big for this building, and pardon me if I'm a cocky prick, but you cocks are slick, popping shit on how you flipped your life around. Crock of shit, who you dicks trying to kid? Flip dick, you did opposite, you stayed the same. Cause cock backwards is still cock, you pricks. I love it when I tell them shove it, cause it wasn't that long ago when Marshall said busted lackluster cause he couldn't cut mustard muster up, nothing brain fuzzy cause he's buzzing. Woke up from that buzzing, now you wonder why he does it, how he does it. Wasn't cause he had, was it circle around his head, waiting for him to drop dead, was it? Or was it cause some bitches wrote him off, little hussy ass causes? Fuck it, guess it doesn't matter now, does it? What difference it make, what's it take to get it through your thick skulls if this ain't some bullshit? People don't usually come back this way, from a place that was dark as I was in just to get to this place. Now let these words be like a switchblade to a hater's ribcage.
Palakpakan! Sige, kapsat! Message.
Wala, thank you kasi ngayon pinagkatiwalaan niyo ulit ako na maging officer. Thank you sa inyo. Yun, inaccept niyo ako dito sa pamilya niyo.
Okay.
So, sa wakas, ako si Sese, taga Bidalon. Ano po, thank you po kasi welcome niyo ako dito sa PMRS kahit na trip ko lang noon kasi sumali kasi ako sa,
Orkap.
tapos, hindi, basta sa Infinite, tapos nakita ko si Janice, tapos ilan niya din ako dito, tapos sabi niya, sali ka, sige, tapos hanggang
sa naging GR.
Kasi bababay. Thank you. Sa resort kami.
Or libre ba kami, gano'n, ano ba? Pwede ba kami mag-ibi doon? Pwede mag-swimming, gano'n, ano?
Pwede.
Sige.
Pwede. Tantangin mo na.
Pag-isipan ko.
Bakit may gano'n? Kick na kagad yun pag gano'n.
Next. Come on.
Pelaw lang ako kasi pari ko na kasi.
Kaya ito magbabanta na.
Come on.
Kung mali di Macy doon ako ulit. Kung mali di Macy.
Ay, ako nga pala.
Alam mo, hindi mo ko na siya.
Sige, salamat pala sa pagkakita.
Ay, kung inaabot niya.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, bakit? Dalawa ka yung
Nakamapunta na ba?
sige, agad ba? Oo naman. Di may mga tanong matatanong ko. Ready ako na ito. Aray ko. Bali, battery mo dati yung RS.
Ano ba yung nananamig ko?
Hindi siya active dati.
Jumer, siya yung sinasabi mo, Jumer, hindi si Jumer na
Oo, iba yun si Pao.
Kasi dalawa yung Jumer eh.
Nagsalak siya.
Pero may meeting na siya.
Wala pa. Subscribe mo to sa YouTube ha.
Ay, tumitin.
Subscribe mo.
Wag na. Ano na pala, naghihintay na.
A sky full of light.
Abay nga, awan naman din yun. Awan naman din.
Sabay sa marin di maglubanan niyo.
Madalit sa sa pabiyanan.
Oy,
Papa Dad.
ay Papa Oliver. Nantante na.
Slow motion.
Ang tinawin na wala,
Yung pinayagan ka ng nanay mo. Pinayagan ka ng nanay mo!
Tapos mental.
Imagine when this race is won.